Hello pen testers, this is Puneet from Rapid Safeguard back again with another video, and in this video we are going to talk about latest vulnerability of Oracle Web Logic Server. Before we start our video, I would like to introduce our platform called World Machines. This platform is for people who are willing to learn about cyber security, and in this platform I have integrated a CVE Labs. So check out this platform and give your feedback. Now let's talk about Oracle WebLogic Server. The Oracle WebLogic Server is industry-leading application server for building enterprises applications such as Fusion application, FMW admins, DBA apps like OEM 13 or 12C and many other applications. It is using a Java EE7 standard and deploying them on basis of reliability, scalability, runtime with low cost of ownership. CVE 2020-14882. This vulnerability is related to bypass authentication in admin console component using URL. As mentioned URL, I will use to bypass login. So without wasting your time, let's do a practical so you will get a better understanding. Here I would like to tell you that WebLogic Server version is 12.2.1.3.0. So this vulnerability is related to this version. Lab is setup is based on this version. So let's do a practical. Interception on. Let's refresh again. Let's capture this request. Send to repeater. Okay. Interception off. So this is the request. Now we are going to bypass this login. So I have already copied. So let's copy and paste to URL. Here let's paste. As you can see, we have bypassed this application login. You can see over here web base domain, home page. Now let's move on to CVE 2020-14883. This vulnerability is allows to authenticated user to execute any command on admin console component. Using chain of these two vulnerability, attacker can execute a command on WebLogic server and take a complete control of the host. So CVE 2020-14883, there are two ways to exploit. One is through a shell session class and other one is through a file system XML application context. So I will show you the both method of exploit this vulnerability. So let's start with the first method using shell session class. So here I have already copied this payload and paste it here. Here just changing a name with the exploit 2 and the file location is tmp, means a temporary directory. So as you can see, there is a no file such as exploit 1 and here I will upload my payload or my file. Let's send and let's check it again. As you can see, exploit 1 is uploaded successfully. So this is the first method. This method exploit can only be used in a WebLogic 12.2.1 and above because 10.3.6 doesn't have this class. So this is the first method. Now let's move on to second method. So let's repeater, send to the repeater. Okay. As you can see, exploit 1 and here I will upload the exploit 2 name file, means exploit 2. So this is the payload. Copy To exploit this file system XML application context, you need to make a crafted XML file and serve on the server that WebLogic can access, such as Python server or ngrok server or your local host server. So I have here use ngrok, and I will paste the ngrok URL and my file path. So poc.xml is my file and ngrok server. So I will show you. So exploit 2, as you can see, exploit 2, the file name we are going to upload and send. So it's showing waiting, no issue. Waiting. So 302, we got the response of 302. Now let's check to tmp folder and exploit 2. Yeah, we got the exploit 2 and we have uploaded the exploit 2 file as well. So this is all about the CV 2020 14882 and 14883, and there are two different methods I have shown you. Oracle Lab will available soon on World machines, but this time this is not for public access. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, then share and subscribe our channel for latest CVs related videos. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.